imported classic here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1963 Triumph TR4 Roadster. Underneath the hood, 2,138 cc. Inline 4-cylinder, made it up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome in the front bumper. Take a look at the grille, headlights. Dual Stromberg Zenith carb setup on that 4-cylinder. I like the way that the hood is formed on these. And good looking color on this car. It's kind of a burnt orange. It's not a real bright orange, and it's not real red. So I'd say with kind of a burnt orange, dusty orange. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside. Interior, engine bay, trunk. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. It's riding on wire knockoff wheels, BF Goodrich radial tires. A little bit about the tires: 2019 date code on them, plenty of tread left. As far as the brakes, 85% in the front, 90% in the rear, and they are front disc rear drums. Let's take a look down this passenger side. There's a few little spots where just notice maybe a little nick, little ding. A little bit of touch-up paint, touch that up pretty easily. Interior, nice shape, vinyl buckets. Now you can see the bows for the convertible top here, and of course it would be a manual top that you would fold up. Let me show you that real quick. That is right here. It is like brand new, and it is tight. It needs to get out in the sun, get some heat to it. It's gonna stretch, be more pliable, go on a lot easier. There is a cockpit cover, and then the convertible top boot or convertible top cover for when it's down. Triumph fender protector if you're doing a little bit of engine work up front. Looks like an extra set of visors and some weather stripping. All that will go along with the car, get put back in the trunk. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Of course, luggage rack, in case that trunk isn't quite large enough. There is a spare in the trunk also. You'll see that in the still pictures. Couple notes from the technician on this one that looked at it in our service department. He did mention the trip meter does work. The odometer is in op. Speedo reads about 10 miles per hour fast, and heater core was bypassed. And like I said, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Let's look down this driver's side. If you like these imported classics, you like British cars, depending on your taste, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done right off our showroom floor, or of course online. One little small spot on the driver's side there too I noticed. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. It appears that the interior was redone. A lot of what was done on this car was approximately 5 years ago, and you can see those seating surfaces, no rips, tears, holes, nice shape. Carpeting looks good. It's got that newer convertible top to put on. Like I said, it'd be so much easier out in the sun. Get some heat on it. Pretty stock looking dash. I did not have the radio power up. It's also a little cold-blooded. Likes a little bit of choke on in the beginning. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Fires right up, as you can tell there. Like I said, it's a little bit cold-blooded. I let it warm up just a little bit before I did the video, if you look at the temp gauge. And I have the choke just ever so slightly pulled out. Fuel gauge going up, amp meter, and oil pressure. Here's all those gauges working. Looks like the tach is over here too. So we're in neutral, and let's go ahead, slip around to the back of this car so you can hear it run. And again, a little cold-blooded. We're gonna let it warm up here a little bit. All right, let me slip up to the front. We're gonna get this hood open as it warms up. Of course, the hood release in this one around here on the passenger side underneath the glove box. So let's get that open, check out the engine bay. All right, hood is open, and it's ran a couple minutes, I suppose, tops, and it is warmed up now. The choke's completely off, and give me an idea what those two Strombergs look like on there. One's pretty smooth when it's warmed up. Just a little cold-blooded. Slip around here to the driver's side. Nice and quiet. And it has definitely smoothed out without that choke on now. Slip around to the back if you want to hear it without the choke. Kind of sounds as you expect. And again, 2,138 cc, inline 4-cylinder, 1963 Triumph TR4. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1963 Triumph TR4. This is a convertible and we have the top up today. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This is a manual transmission on the floor. Nice looking bucket seats. I'm actually comfortable in this car. I fit well and I'm 6'1". So little cars do fit big people, including this Triumph. Beautiful looking exterior, that bulge in the hood, those headlights, very iconic. Our amp gauge is showing charging above halfway. The fuel gauge is at 3/4 of a tank. The oil pressure is over 60 psi. And the temperature is 1/4 of the way up. That's approximately 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Speedometer is reading and tachometer reading. Nice feel on the road. It's got that little car feel. Very responsive. Be sure and check out all the pictures of this 1963 Triumph TR4 at uniqueclassiccars.com.